Hello dear students, I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School Shivpuri, and today I am here before you to explain you sick leave. Means so many students feel so difficulty in writing application. So I will explain you how to write an application or sick leave. Well, so this is a question for that. Suppose you are Manoj Gupta, class 9, and write an application to your principal for 3 days sick leave. Well, so it is very interesting question for you. For you can write very easily sick leave to your principal or your headmaster. Well, so now come to learn how to write an application. Well, you can write first of all to the principal. Well, for example, this you can write here. You can take margin line like this. Well, so you can start application writing from here, left top. So this is to the principal, to the principal. You can write here your school name. For example, we are studying in Saraswati Vidyapeeth, so we can write Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School. If you are studying in Government Higher Secondary School, so you can write the name of Government Higher Secondary School Shivpuri. Well, so but we are studying in Saraswati Vidyapeeth, so we can write here Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School Shivpuri and MP. Well, so next step, this is salutation of application. Next step, you can write subject. Well, so how to write subject? You can write like this. Subject, application, for so you can write here an application for sick leave. Well, so next step you can write sir respectively. Okay. Respected. Respected sir. Or if your class teacher or principal may be ma'am, so you can write here madam. Okay, so you can write just like it, yeah, respected sir. You can start with the respectably sir, or in other words with the due respect also. With the due, you can write here from here. Okay, with the due respect. With the due respect, I would like to inform you that I have been suffering from fever. I have been suffering from fever since last night. Well, you can put here full stop. As per the doctor, I have to take a bed rest. As per the doctor, I have to take bed rest until I become
कैसा लग रहा है?
completely
वास्तु सफाई से लेकर आधे दिशा में आया
completely healthy. Well, so just like in this one you can write, I become completely healthy. Next step you can write, therefore, or you can say the doctor advised me. You can say the doctor advised me the doctor advised me to take medicines properly. Well, so next step I will explain you totally here. Okay, after this one I am cleaning it. Next step you will understand here. So it's very interesting for you. You will understand everything, the concept of how to write application for sick leave to your principal. Therefore, okay, you can write here from here. Therefore, okay, see it is single word. Therefore, I request you. Therefore, I request you to grant me. Therefore, means so. I request you to grant me kindly sick leave. 3 days sick leave, you can say in other words. 3 days sick leave. Well, lastly you can say, you can express your obligation or thankfulness for your teacher. So you can write here, I will be thankful for you. Or in other words, you can write other words also. For example, I will be highly obliged to you. Okay, but I am written here thankful for you. Here you can write thank you. Lastly, you can write here in the left corner, or we can say below, just below. You can write. Now, obedient, your obedience you can write here. Your obediently Manoj Gupta. According to this name should be written according to our question. So in the question it is mentioned Manoj Gupta. Who is the student? Manoj Gupta. So we will have to write the name of the student which is asked in our question. So because the question Manoj Gupta is mentioned in question. So that should be written here. Well, Manoj Gupta. Class. You can write here class also, class 9. Lastly, you can write date. Date of writing means today I am writing this letter. So I can write date of today. So date. What is the date of today? 11 July 2020. Well, so it's clear, I think. Well, if you don't understand any concept, you can complain. You can write your complaint in the comment box. So I will try to explain your, or I will try to remove your any doubt which is developed in your brain, which is created in your brain. So I will try to solve your problem. Well, so it is nice and clearly. I explained you clearly and deeply. If you don't understand the meanings also, I will explain you. Grant means exception. Well, and or you can permit. Grant means permit or exception. Another word you can understand kindly means property. Okay? And next, thankful means highly obliged. And obediently, you know, obediently means a student who obeys always a teacher or their parents also. Well, other question if you have, therefore means so. Well, so all the meanings explained before you, and I hope that you will understood and you can write application to your principal or teacher or headmaster or ma'am. No doubt, I think. Well, so thank you to watch my video clearly and deeply and total or completely. And I hope that you will share this video to all the poor people, poor students, those who have no sufficient money or we can say equipments through which they can study well. Okay? Thank you. Okay.